Dear students, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I want to discuss about a trigonometric problem, and that is if tangent of a is equal 1 by root over of 3, then find out the value of cosec square a negative sec square a by cosec square a plus sec square a. So, if we look at tangent of a, then we get 1 by root over of 3. That means if we try to draw a triangle that is like this, then we get a b c is a right angle triangle. Here angle v is 90 degree. That's why AC is hypotenuse, BC is adjacent side. Then ACV is equal to acute angle. If we input this value, tangent of A is equal 1 by root 3, then we know that the opposite side of angle theta, that is 1, and the adjacent side, that is BC, is equal root over of 3. So we can say AV is equal 1 and BC is equal root over of 3. Now let's find out the value of cosec A. If we try to find out the value of cosec A, then we get cosec theta is opposite of sin theta. That means the ratio would be AC by AB. Now let's try to find out the value of AC. According to Pythagorean theorem, AC would be root over of sum of another two angles square. That means 1 square plus root 3 square is equal root over of 1 plus root 3 square is equal 3. That's why the value would be root over of 4, that means 2. That's why we can say the value of AC is equal 2. Now the value of cosecant of A would be hypotenuse by opposite side, that means 2. And secant of A would be opposite of cosine A, that means base, that means the ratio of base versus hypotenuse. That's why the value would be 2 by root 3. Now let's find out the value of the expression cosec square A negative sec square A by cosec square A positive sec square A. If we put the value of cosec A, that means 2, then we get 2 square negative secant of A, that means 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 square, and the denominator is cosec A, that means 2 square plus sec of A, that means 2 by root 3 whole square is equal 2 squared, that means 4, negative 2 by root 3 squared, that means the value would be 4 by 3, and the value of the denominator would be 4 plus 2 by root 3 squared, that means 4 by 3 is equal. If we simplify the numerator, then we get the denominator 1 and denominator 3, whose LCM would be 3. If we divide 3 by 1, then we get 3, and multiplied of 4 with 3, we get 4 times of 3, that means 12. Negative, if we divide the LCM 3 by 3, then we get 1, and multiplied of 4 with 1, we get 4. Denominator of 4, 1, and denominator 3, the LCM would be 3. If we divide 3 by 1, then we get 3, and multiplied by 4 with 3, we get 12. Positive, if we divide LCM 3 by 3, then we get 1, and 4 times of 1 is equal 4. So we get from the numerator 12 negative 4, that means positive 8 by 3, and the denominator 12 plus 4, that means 16 by 3. If we take the flip of this fraction, then we get 8 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 16. That means 2 times of 8 is equal 16. Two times of 8, that means 16, and eliminating 3 and 3 from the numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 2, and this is the value of our desired expression.